Singapore's new approach to neighbor disputes, a controversial balance. A recent tragedy in Yishun has brought neighbor disputes into sharp focus, sparking a debate on the government's role in managing these conflicts. The Community Relations Unit, CRU, a new initiative, has been at the center of this discussion, with its effectiveness and limitations under scrutiny. The CRU, launched in August 2024, aims to tackle severe neighbor disputes, particularly those involving noise and hoarding. It has already made an impact in Tampines, where it facilitated the hospitalization and treatment of a resident with mental health issues, one of 3 such cases it has handled. But here's where it gets controversial. The CRU's role is not just about intervention. The unit's approach is a delicate balance between government action and community autonomy. As Minister of State for National Development Alvin Tan emphasized, the CRU is not a panacea, but a tool to support positive community norms and good neighborly relations. It steps in when disputes escalate, but the goal is to empower residents to resolve issues themselves. The CRU's powers include deploying noise sensors, and as a last resort, referring persistent offenders to the Housing and Development Board, HDB, for potential flat acquisition. However, MPs have questioned the unit's efficacy, asking for clear distinctions between severe and non-severe cases and requesting an assessment of its overall performance. And this is the part most people miss. The CRU's success is tied to the broader community's willingness to engage in mediation and resolution. The Community Disputes Management Framework, CDMF, established in 2014, and the Community Disputes Resolution Tribunals, CDRT, are also part of this ecosystem. The CDRT, a specialized court, handles the most intransigent cases, with excessive noise, vibration, and littering topping the list. But there's a catch. The perception that the CDRT lacks bite has led to concerns about its effectiveness. MP Kenneth Tiong highlighted this, suggesting that the CDRT's enforcement powers might need strengthening. Senior Minister of State for Law, Murali Pillai, defended the system, emphasizing the legislative framework's ability to prosecute and convict offenders. He also pointed out the HDB's power to evict residents under the enhanced CDMF. The debate continues as to whether these measures are enough. The CRU, with its unique position between voluntary mediation and enforcement, is a novel approach. But is it the ultimate solution? The government's pilot in Tampines aims to find out, with plans to extend successful strategies nationwide. As the CRU and CDRT navigate the complex landscape of neighbor disputes, the question remains, is this the best way to foster harmony in our communities? The answer may lie in a combination of government intervention and community engagement. But the ideal balance is still a subject of ongoing discussion and discovery.